If you want to be successful, which I assume you do if you're here to begin with, then you have to be prepared to make sacrifices for that success. It's not always fun or easy to give things up, but doing so can set you up to have the success you crave and achieve more in life. Therefore, in this video, we look at 5 things you should give up to be successful. Number 1. Leisure. Love games, TV, movies, or just relaxing with friends and family? Well, while I don't suggest giving up all leisure entirely, you will need to make sacrifices. What this means is to limit how long you play games or watch TV for, limiting it to around 30 minutes each day in order to give you time on what's important to you. Likewise, while you should spend time with friends and family, you may need to say no to them more frequently, as it takes a lot of energy and time to do. That might mean saying no to nights out so that you can focus and work on what's important to you, though the odd occasion here and there isn't just recommended but a necessity in my view. Number 2. Excuses. I don't have time, I don't have money, I don't have the tools, it wasn't my fault, it was beyond my control. It doesn't matter what it is, these are all excuses for not progressing to your goal. As Tony Robbins says, we don't lack resources, we lack resourcefulness, and it's critical to have the mindset to use the hand you're dealt with to work regardless. You can't always have it your way, and if you wait for opportune moments, you'll never reach your goals and be successful in what you want to do. So don't wait and take action, using what you have and not worrying about what you don't. After all, you may not be at fault for your circumstance, but you are responsible for making your life better. Number 3. You need to be liked. If you do something important or you do something that's out of the ordinary, then you won't get acceptance for your choice from everyone around you. While we all want to be liked, it's simply not possible to always cater to everyone's individual need, so you need to accept that you'll have your detractors. This may not even be down to you either, but for many it's a defense mechanism to not have to deal with their own insecurities or lack of direction and action in life. And often it's easier to try and pull others down than to pull yourself up, which is why they choose to take on toxic behavior and be unsupportive. Number 4. Multitasking. Simply put, many of us try to take on too much in life and try to juggle too many things at a given time, whether it be your life in general or in the immediate moment. While we usually think we're being productive, we're not naturally suited for multitasking, where we naturally do a lesser quality job or do our tasks more slowly. Instead, develop your ability to focus, even if for a relatively short period of time, as doing so will yield significantly greater results than trying to multitask. All successful people have learnt the value of focus and concentration, many building their success on the back of the principle. Number 5. Comfort. You are often left with a couple of choices in life. Either doing what's hard and grinding through the challenge, or doing what's easy and relaxing. While the latter might appear more appealing much of the time, the short-term gain you get from it is unlikely to leave you fulfilled or satisfied in the long term. Likewise, while the hard choice is painful in the short term, the long-term results it yields will likely leave you feeling happier with greater satisfaction. So rather than doing what's easy, leading to a harder life, choose to do what's hard, which will lead you to an easier life. Have you given any of these up or plan to? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.